Hey everyone! If you're a Netflix user, get ready. Today I'm showing you 5 awesome Netflix tips and tricks to seriously level up your binge watching experience. From hidden categories to secret features, these hacks will blow your mind. Let's get started. Unlock hidden categories. Netflix doesn't show all genres up front. Use this secret URL, https www.netflix.com/browse/genre/ followed by a code. Example, action and adventure. 1,365 documentaries, 6,839. Sci-fi, 1,492. Try https www.netflix.com browse a genre 1365. You'll find tons of content that Netflix normally hides. Skip intros automatically. Tired of clicking skip intro? On PC, use a browser extension like Netflix Skip Intro. It skips intros and recaps automatically, binge made smarter. Improve your recommendations. Netflix learns from what you watch. Go to Account, Edit Settings, Viewing Activity, and hide titles you don't like. Netflix won't recommend similar content again. Your feed stays clean. Watch region-blocked content. Use a trusted VPN like Proton VPN. You can access content from other countries like anime in Japan or BBC shows from the UK. Make sure to follow your local laws. Request shows and movies. Did you know you can request Netflix to add content? Go to https help.netflix.com/n/title request. You can request up to 3 titles. They actually listen sometimes. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments which trick was your favorite, or if you have any secret Netflix hacks to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Happy streaming!